Hi guys, good morning. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can braid your own Fulani braids hairstyle. I know you've heard a lot about it, you've seen so many styles and you want to make them. I'm going to show you different styles in this particular video too. However, the main objective is so that you can see how it is done. If possible, do it yourself if you know how to braid your hair yourself. Okay, like this particular sis now, she's going to braid her hairstyle herself, the Fulani braids. So it doesn't matter how beautiful or how stunning it looks if you do it yourself. You just keep trying until it becomes perfect. Okay, so you're welcome. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please hit that red subscribe button to join the family. If you're an OG, thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you for all those ones that are coming from our Facebook group on Hairstyle Ideas 2022. You guys, you're welcome. So yeah, watch to the end. There are different styles and even how you can equally style it after making your, you see, very simple and very beautiful. Simple and beautiful. She made it herself. So there are different ways you can do it. Either you do the one or you braid the frontal. After braiding the frontal, then you can now style the back. Like this particular sister, she's going to braid the front one alone, and because she already has natural long hair, this is her hair, she didn't add any attachment or whatever, so she just add oil to the, see, she's looking so beautiful. Very simple and very smart. Okay, yeah, so you can do it yourself or you can take the hairstyle to your hairstylist and let her do it herself. Whichever way, it's fine as long as it's Fulani braids. Okay, and you guys, Fulani braid is actually gotten from the Fulani people. The particular braids, these Fulani people, that's how they braid their hair, and it looks very beautiful. I adore it with different beads or golden stuff and make it look so beautiful. And you can tell now. So watch to the end because there are different styles and even how you can pack it or how you can style it. Even though it looks like it's all back, but there are still ways you can still style it and it will look very beautiful. As you can see now, this one is very beautiful. She didn't pack it, it's just flowing. So now this particular one sister is going to show you how you can style, different ways you can style it. This is the number 1, this is the number 2, you guys, this is the number 3, this is the number 4, 5, and it's very beautiful. So, and there are wigs too. This one now, this particular Fulani braids is actually a wig, okay, with frontal, so you can do the lining and everything. This one particular one now is wig. So there are different ways you can, if you don't have the time to sit down and start braiding the hair, you can as well buy the wig and wear them. Okay, it's just beautiful whichever way you choose to do it. So I don't want to ramble too much, I don't want to talk too much because I know you're going to love this video. Okay, I know it, I can feel it in my body that you can I don't know why I'm talking too much, but make sure you watch to the end because there are different styles, different ideas that you might want to apply when braiding your own. Okay, so just take it to the hairstylist if you don't want to do it yourself, if you don't know how to do it yourself. I'll catch you guys later. Okay, watch to the end though. Yeah, I'll catch you later.